Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone lagging or iPhone freezing after iOS 17 beta update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, many users have reporting that their iPhone lagging or freezing after iOS 17 beta update. So guys, how to fix it? So guys, firstly you can tap on settings. Now you can tap on general, and now you can see background app refresh. Tap on it. Now you can see background app refresh is on. Tap on it and turn it off to fix this issue. If this issue is not solved, then we go to another is to restart our iPhone. So again, go to the settings, tap on general, scroll down, and now you can see shutdown. Tap on it and slide to power off. After sliding it, your mobile will be restart. So if this solution is not working, then we go to another is to clear the Safari data. So go to the settings, search the Safari app, scroll down, and now you can see clear history and website data. Tap on it. Now you can see clear history, 1 hour, today, and yesterday, and all history. Tap on all history and clear history to fix this issue. So if this issue is not solved by this method, so we go to another is to reset the all settings only without losing any data. So go to the settings, tap on general. Now you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, and now you can see reset. Tap on it. Now you can see reset settings. So just click on reset all settings and your setting will be reset. If this method is not working, then we go to another is to downgrade to the iOS 16. So go to the settings, tap on general, and tap on software update. Now you can see checking for update. Now you can see iOS 17 is up to date. So downgrade iOS 17 into iOS 16 to fix this issue. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.